Hey YouTube, this is my 2010 Chevy Impala, and for the last 2 years I've been looking for this rattle noise that sounded like it was from the dashboard. Happens it's not the dashboard or the cowl or under the engine compartment. It's this inner fender here. See if I can show you. See this hole right here? There was a plastic tab that came off the inner fender to cover that hole from getting debris in it, and when you went above 45 miles an hour it would flap against the firewall there. You'd hear the sound of plastic hitting metal. Took me forever to find it, but I wanted to let everybody know that this could be a possibility if you're hearing a tapping noise when you're going about 45 mile an hour or higher. Just wanted to share this with you. Here on this side of the car you can see where the tab is at that I cut off from the other side. You could probably take a heat gun and heat it up and bend it backwards so it's not going to flap against the inner fender there, but I just cut it off. I didn't see the harm.